right, so this is your Vascutherm that a Thera-Connection representative has brought out to you. We're going to start by turning it on. It's already plugged in and taken out of the suitcase. As you can see, you can start hearing it warm up, and you have this touchscreen menu. And so what we're going to do first is get out the hose. You have a hose that has these 3 ports that goes into this and matches up. Oh, wrong end. Has these 3 ports that match up with these. Goes big, little, and big. And then we have our demo wrap right here, Pool Noodles. It still works whether you have a shoulder brace, shoulder wrap, or a leg wrap. Same principle, you go big, little, big. And so what we're going to do is just going to hit start. And as you can see, it's set to medium compression, 44 degrees, and it's going to run for an hour and take a break for 15 minutes. So right now, fluid's going into the wrap. And that fluid is a mixture of rubbing alcohol and distilled water. So if there's ever an issue that says put more fluid into the machine, use the fluid that has the mixture already mixed up in the container. If you need more, please contact your Thera-Connection rep. So what we're going to do is going to go over how to evacuate the wraps when you're done using the machine. So say that you did not want to use the machine, you hit stop, you hit next, and you hit evacuate wraps. So that takes the fluid from the wrap and puts it back into the machine. Another thing we can do is change how long we want it to run. So you hit left corner, right corner, center. Sometimes it takes a second, and you go to Profile Select. You hit Edit. So we're going to hit Compression Therapy, Standard Compression, and you can change that compression from low, medium, or high depending on how soon you've had surgery or if you have any lingering soreness. We're going to keep it on medium and hit Accept, hit Back, hit Return, or we're going to go to the timer setting, and we can change that so you can increase the time that it's on, that it runs for, as well as increase the time that it takes a break. We usually like to keep it on about for an hour and then take a break for 15 minutes, or depending on the doctor's orders, we'll change that. Hit Accept, hit Next, and you can change the therapy. So cool mode, this goes all the way down to 43 degrees, and it can hit Return, hit Save, hit Accept, and those changes will be saved next time you hit Start. So as you notice, it was at 44 degrees earlier, now it's at 43. It's still set to run for an hour with a 15-minute break. If there's ever an issue, 9 times out of 10, if you just unscrew this lid and let that mixture just kind of flow better, it will fix any issues. If you have other issues besides that, contact your Thera-Connection rep and they'll take care of it. Thank you so much.